Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I have a Redmi Note 10. The mobile is properly dead. Customers say when I use mobile suddenly the mobile screen is turning green. Now mobile is properly dead. Redmi Note 10 is a common mobile with a CPU issue. First of all I recall the CPU. I use sharp blade and remove the gum. I use a scraper and take off the IC. The paste is very hard. Slowly I take off the IC. Now IC is removed successfully. Now I apply fluff paste and remove the soldering and black paste. Wash with MBC motherboard cleaner. Now I use desoldering wick and remove solder. Clean all pads. Carefully use fine, everything is okay. Now cleaning the CPU, same method, removing soldering and black gum with hot air and iron, very smooth and carefully, and don't damage CPU pads. Some pads have covered with a carbon, so use a needle and scratch the pads carefully and remove carbon. All pads is clean. Now I put stencil and reballing the IC. First we will fill the soldering paste in the middle of IC. This method is very easy to reballing the IC. After that I will apply the full paste in whole IC. There are still some pads left. We will fill them again with the soldering paste. Great, now ice is properly revolved. All pads is equal and fine. Now I apply the flux and level all the pads. You can all see that CPU has been well revolved. Some pads have still carbon. I scratch with blade to remove the carbon carefully. Okay, now all the pads are clean and shining. Okay, good. Now I apply flux paste. I use mechanic transparent flux paste and properly adjust the flux paste in all area of IC board. Now I put IC on it and align the IC side by side, and the all bubbles is fit on a pad. In a proper heat when all the balls melt, we will shake IC a little more. Now our IC is properly revolved perfectly and gratefully. All the balls is attached with the pads perfectly. You can see it on a microscope. You can see all the balls is attached with pads perfectly. Now we will power on the mobile and check it. The mobile is powered on successfully. So friends, thanks for watching video. Subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Goodbye.